Patty Ellsbury from Acrylic Art Paintings. Welcome to my channel. When I share with you guys that I use the Kilz primer sealer as my medium, one of you said, but Patty, it's so expensive. So let's see what the numbers say, shall we? To know the unit price, we divide the total cost by the total units in the container. Let's see. Liquitex pouring medium, for example. This bottle has 8 ounces for $9.59. So we bring our calculator and we divide $9.59 by 8, divided by 8 to get the unit price. So we see that each ounce cost us $1.20. To prove our equation, we multiply this by 8, and what do we have? $9.59. That means that we got our equation correct. Now, the Kilz sealer primer, I have a cost of $23.10 for a gallon, which is 44 ounces. So I divide $23.10 by 44, and I get that each ounce is gonna cost me 16 cents. There you go. So if this video has been of any use to you, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos. Well, I hope this little tip will be useful in any time we need to know a unit price by the simple use of our calculators. Thanks for joining me today. Till next time, keep painting.